What's up, guys? This is Daniel with Bar Shield, back with Bar Tip Tuesday, episode 65. So this week we're going to talk about the sleeves of the bar specifically, and to go along with that is taking the plates on and off the sleeve. So over time, as a bar gets older and older, a lot of the times it'll start to stick. So as you put a plate on, or if you're trying to take it off. So real quick fix for that, you can take some of the Bar Shield formula here, food grade, biodegradable, anti-rust and corrosion, so it can help with that as well. Basically, you're just going to put a thin coating here on the sleeve, just right here. So you can work it in with just a microfiber cloth here, or you can use a brush if you have some surface rust on the sleeve. So that alone should help, and I've experienced will help, take the sleeve or take the plate on and off the sleeve with ease. So if you have any other questions, please hit us up, and thanks for watching.